If you're in class and you hear someone scream in the hallway, don't look at them. Because I was taking a test one time, so the whole class was completely silent until out of nowhere, we hear a scream. So everyone laughs, then goes back to taking their test. But a couple seconds later, out of the corner of my eye, I see my friend in the hallway. He was smirking at me, so I realized he was the one who screamed, but I also figured out why he did it. Because instead of continuing walking wherever he was going, he just kept staring at me while I was taking the test because he was trying to get me to laugh. So I couldn't hold it in, and I laughed, which made the teacher suspicious that I was cheating. But I wasn't gonna fail because of my friend, so I told my teacher that there was a random man staring at me in the hallways. Unfortunately, he ran away right when I pointed at him, so when the teacher checked, no one was there. Why is there always people screaming?